Hello everyone. Lindiwe Sisulu and Makaziwe Mandela respond on the open letter that was criticizing African National Congress and allowing President Cyril Ramaphosa to sell the country back to the white oppressors allegedly. The letter stated, "Dear Papano Pasha, Mandela and Sisulu respond positively to your letter of concern. We, Makaziwe Mandela and Lindiwe Sisulu, confirm and acknowledge your letter dated 25 June 2024. As such, we had a lengthy meetings and discussed the issues you raised in your letter. In the main, we are absolutely in agreement with what you are raising, and we will raise this in appropriate platforms and we will respond to you adequately. We would like to assure you that we are not quiet, especially on the issue of board membership within our ranks to sway and dilute the ideological character of the ANC by enabling the oppressors to achieve what they want. We can't also be quiet on the issue of leaders who easily succumb on economic seductions from the enemy for their own convenience and political naivety. We are also not quiet because we are very much aware of the fact that the Western facilitated capitalist domination has never liberated African people. We are aware of the onslaught on the heritage and legacy of the ANC by the enemy agents from within. As such, we would like to assure you that we will respond and do justice to the concerns you raised on the letter to 4 of us. We would like to assure you that we can't let this one go because we know the suffering it brought to our people, families, and our individual lives. This includes the negative impact it will have to future generations. The sage among some of us are convinced that when you sell someone out, it may have to be rather quickly. Even the documents nominated for execution, notwithstanding the odiousness of the inequity, have to be signed somewhat in haste, and we are sure that you witnessing like we do that the stern warnings of a menacing, extremely unpleasant devil in detail are not deterring the resolve. We reached the conclusion that the matters you raised have been of great concern to both of us and warrant a befitting response. Minister Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma didn't attend our meeting because she had a bereavement. However, she did acknowledge your letter and informed us that she did communicate with you. Mrs. Dimpohani was not able to attend as she had an urgent family matter to attend to in Lesotho. She promised to come back to us. We both commit ourselves to arrange a second meeting where hopefully the 2 other women will be physically present to do justice to your call and respond adequately to the issues you raised in your letter. We are aware of what needs to be done for the ANC. It hopes to claw its way back into the hearts and minds of the people. What is it that needs to be done? In defense of our liberation heritage, we will respond to you in due course. Makaziwe Mandela and Lindiwe Sisulu. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.